How to create digital art as a complete beginner. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how to create a digital art print as a complete beginner, and you don't even have to have any real skills. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So currently I'm over here on Pinterest, and I'm just simply looking at different art styles and people and what people have been uploading. And over here, as you can see, these are quite difficult to make, like these require real skills, but I'm gonna show you a website and a way where you can create really simple looking digital prints. So for that, all we gotta do is go over to canva.com. Now Canva is a pretty amazing website where you can create almost anything in the world. Like you can create videos, presentation, Instagram posts, posters, flyers, social media posts, and stuff like that. It's pretty simple. So let's just go ahead and do that. Over here, all you gotta do is just choose the template that you want. So what we're looking for is to create digital print, right? So let's go ahead and click on the poster, and over here is going to be the blank Canva. So this is how the canvas is tool. Right, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is look around in the different templates and then just simply drag drop them, or just simply click on them and post them over here. So over here, this is going to be our so this is going to be our workspace. Now over here, let me go back to Pinterest over here, and over here I was looking at different wallpapers. Right, let me just search for simple wallpapers. Right, and wallpapers are kind of like digital prints, right? You can simply create them as well. Like they're pretty simple to make. So over here, like this one over here, let me just show you. So this one is pretty simple to make. It's just a bunch of different elements on a black background, and all you gotta do is just do simply that. So let's go ahead and try to replicate it if we can. So over here on Canva, let me just go ahead and click on the canvas over here, and let me just turn it to gray or maybe black, or let me just go ahead and add my own color over here. I don't want gray, but I don't want complete darkness, so a little bit gray. And over here, I think that's good. All we got to do is just add different elements like shapes and sizes. So over here we have different types of frames, grids, and audios and videos and photos and graphics as well. So let's go ahead and click on graphics, and over here we can have different types of graphics. So over here we have design and causes. Now we can go ahead and add them as well, or we can add bold foliages, zodiac symbols as well. We have simple drawn objects as well over here. As you can see, we have quite a lot of different objects, and all we got to do is just simply add them over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add them, and now remember, I'm not really good at this. I'm not a professional designer or anything, but I'm just showing you the way, so don't judge me too harshly. So let me just go ahead and do that. So what should we do? I'm thinking of simply drawn objects. Maybe that'll be cool. Let's go ahead and see what we get. So we get quite different things. So if can we get some stars over here? Let's search for stars and see what we get. So over here, as you can see, we have this one over here. We can go ahead and add this. We'll just rotate it a little bit, put it over here, and then we have these stars as well. Let's go ahead and add this one as well, like different placements over here. And maybe we get a couple of different more, like this one, like place it over here, or maybe just simply copy this one as well and just simply paste a bunch of them over here and then put them at random spots, right? So this looks pretty cool. Now what we can do is we can add some moon or moons, whatever you want to call it. Like we can add this one. Go ahead and place that over there, or this one as well. This one is for pro version, but we can add this one as well. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and turn it around a little bit. Go ahead and add that over there. Over here, let's go ahead and search for astronauts. So we got this one. We'll place that over here in the corner, basically looking over the stars or whatever. And then we also have this one over here. Put it small and put it over here on the moon, basically putting the flag on the moon over there. We also got this one. We'll put this one over here in the corner as well, and put this star over it. We can't put it over. Okay, so we'll just put it over here. So as you can see, it's looking pretty nice, right? Let's just look back at this. It has a couple of different more stars. Oh, let's go ahead and add a rocket ship as well. So if we search for rockets, we got this one over here, this one as well. I think this one would look pretty cool. Go ahead and put that over there, and we'll get a bunch of these. Copy this one, okay, and paste it, and we'll shrink them up, right? And copy and paste a bunch of them, and then we'll just put them over here, 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 like just spread them out a little bit, to make it more aesthetically pleasing. And as you can see, it's looking pretty nice now. And maybe we also get some star belts as well, or whatever, star belts or Orion's belts. So over here, as you can see, we have some constellations as well. Let's go ahead and add them as well. So something black and white. This one is a blue, this one is, maybe we can add that as well. So yeah, let's just grow that out a little bit. I think it would be nice. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. So but it's a different color, so let's go ahead and change the color to white. Okay, it didn't change it. Okay, from here, maybe now over here we can add any fonts as well. So let's just look for something that's black and white that blends in with our scenery as well. Don't see anything. All of the rest are for pro versions. So I think you get the general idea, right? Like, it looks pretty nice. Let me just shrink that, or you know what, whatever, drop it down over here, and I think that looks pretty nice. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to create one. Like, all I did was place a bunch of objects and elements in random places. I think it looks decent. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment sections down below if you think that it looks pretty nice. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you basically create digital arts using Canva. As you can see, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is find your inspiration. So just simply come over here onto Pinterest or other places, even search for Google. As you can see over here, this one, this is just a simple background, simple bluish type background with a small penguin looking from the bottom. Same with this cat one and the panda. Like, you can create this one as well. Like, it's really not that hard, and you can create them on Canva as well. Like this one over here, just simply search for flowers and you'll basically get something like this, and you can go ahead and create something like this as well with a nice background with the different colors and stuff like that. Like this one over here, this one looks pretty nice. Let me just search for flowers real quick. So over here, as you can see, we have different flowers over here. So all we got to do is just simply drop them over here, and it'll basically be just like this image over here. And that's pretty much it. It's really simple to create, guys. It's really not that hard. So actually, let me just show you how you can create a simple one. Like, it's really simple, right? Just simply come over here and keep your background white. And what you can do next is, all you gotta do is just search for simple things such as flower, as I showed you before. Like, that was pretty simple, right? Like, over here in elements, go over here and search for flower. And once you have searched for flower, as you can see, these images pop up. What we can do next is we can go ahead and add them over here, right? We can add the background over here, and then that is basically it. All we got to do next is just simply choose the color of the background. So let's go ahead and add the color, right? Let's go with gray, something grayish, right? I think this one looks pretty nice. So this one looks pretty good, and I think that looks, yeah. For that, you can even animate it as well. Like, you can put on animations. Like, over here you have this one over here. Like, as you can see, it's coming up and it looks pretty nice. Okay, looks really nice. And once you've done that, all you gotta do is just simply download this image. That is how you create different images, different digital arts, whatever you want to call it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.